The First Medes and Persians. The Medes and Persians were first mentioned in Assyrian annals when, in 836 BCE, Shalmaneser III exacted tribute from the kings of Parsua, west of Lake Ourmieh, and reached the land of Made, Media, located southwest of these waters. From that point on, these two peoples were frequently referenced. Around 820 BCE, Shemshadad encountered them in an area now called Pardeswash, south of what is present-day Kermanshah. In 737 BCE, Tiglath-Pileser III raided the original Pardeswa region and collected tribute from Median leaders. He advanced eastward to the Bikni Mountains, referred to as the Mountain of Lapis Lazuli, a name he used to describe the snow-capped royal Mount Damavand. At this time, both groups of Iranians were still semi-nomadic, with each valley hosting its own clan, led by a king ruling from a fortified citadel on a height. Whenever they faced raids, they were forced to pay tribute to Assyria. Some parts of the Median territory had been turned into provinces, although the borders frequently changed, and the area was never effectively organized. Apart from the raids, other Medes and all Persians maintained their full independence. Historically, the Iranians were predominantly pastoralists, although they also practiced agriculture. Contemporary Zoroastrian texts divide society into four local units: household, demene, clan, viz, district, shavaitra, and land, dahyu. Socially, they were categorized into three main groups: priests, ekshayuta, warriors, Ariaman, and pastoralists, vonstriafshuyant. Only the last group belonged to the ruling class, which was further subdivided into priests, athravan or asaoron, noble chariot riders, raeshtar or arteshtar, herdsmen, vonstriafshuyant or astraosh, and artisans, hvati or hutoksh. Lower classes appear to have been of a different ethnicity, as they were referred to as the colored class, pishtara. One of the local Median kings, named Diauku, was captured and taken to Syria in 715 BCE. He is the same Diotes who later became the legendary founder of the Median Empire. His successor was Kiaxaristveh, also known as Uxatar, who paid tribute to Sargon in 714 BCE. During Sennacherib's reign in 702 BCE, he launched a raid on the Assyrian province of Har. Military groups from Parsua and Anshan clashed with Sennacherib's forces in Halula in 681 BCE. It has been suggested that their leader was Achaemenes, whom later kings claimed as the eponymous ancestor of the Achaemenid dynasty. His son, Teispis, Chishpish, was titled the Great King, king of the city of Anshan. This title referred to the ancient city of Anzan, located northwest of Susa, near the Karkeh River, which had been taken from the Elamites. At this time, it is evident that the Iranians were still moving southward. Teispis had two sons, Ariaramnes and Cyrus I. A gold tablet attributed to Ariaramnes indicates that Persian inscriptions were already written in cuneiform script. Even if this script was influenced by Assyria or Elam, it was not a direct imitation. For the first time, cuneiform words were separated by an oblique wedge.